Let's talk about measures of variance with box and whisker plots and quartiles. Look at your data set. You have 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Now it's important that when you have your data set, when you start doing this, you put all your numbers in order, or your data in order. Now you have quartiles 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. Quartile 2 is what we will start with. Quartile 2 is your median. Now find the middle or the median of your data. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. The 4 in this case is quartile 2. All right. So quartile 2 is 4. Now quartile 1 is the lower quartile. Quartile 3 is the upper quartile. What that means is, say, the lower quartile, this section here, is the middle of that section. So what's the middle of 2, 2, 2, and 3? Well, it's going to be right here in between these 2's, and the middle of 2 and 2 is 2. So quartile 1 is going to be 2. Now, the upper quartile, or quartile 3, the middle would fall right in between the 8 and the 9. Now, 8 plus 9 equals 17. 17 divided by 2 equals 8.5. So quartile 3 is 8.5. All right? Now, when we're talking box and whisker plots, let's move some of this out of the way here. When we're talking box and whisker plots, a box and whisker plot is going across your data set and just identifying your quartiles. So, I'm going to draw me a line here on quartile 3, a line here on quartile 4, and a line, quartile 2 above the 4, and then a line here above quartile 1. Now I'm going to connect these. This is your box. Your whiskers identify the data range. Our total data range is from 2 to 10. Our interquartile range, is from here to there. Our interquartile range is from 8.5 to 2. 8.5 minus 2, we'll put it beneath it, minus 2 is 6.5. So our interquartile range is 6.5. Okay? So again, quartile 1 is the lower middle. Quartile 2 is the middle or the median. Quartile 3 is the upper middle. Your interquartile range is the range of your quartiles. In this case, it was 6.5. And then your total range of data goes from the beginning to the end when your numbers are put in order. Our total range of the data would be 10 minus 2 equals 8. I hope this helped. Review and try it again.